Good day, everyone. Today, we face a reality that affects millions: poverty. It's not just a lack of income, but a lack of access to education, healthcare, and opportunity. Poverty remains one of the most pressing issues in our society today. Despite economic progress in many parts of the world, millions of people still struggle to meet their basic needs such as food, shelter, education, and healthcare. The roots of poverty are complex, often tied to systemic inequality, lack of access to opportunities, and historical injustice. These challenges not only affect individuals but also hinder the growth and stability of entire communities. To effectively confront poverty, both governments and communities must take action. This includes investing in education, job creation, affordable housing, and accessible healthcare, social safety nets and support programs for vulnerable populations such as the elderly, persons with disabilities, and single parents families are also essential. Addressing poverty requires a multi-sector approach that involves collaboration between the public, private, and non-profit sector to ensure lasting change. Ultimately, overcoming poverty, it's not just a matter of charity. It is a matter of justice. Every person deserves the opportunity to live with dignity and security. By promoting equality, fighting discrimination, and creating systems that uplift the marginalized, we can build a society where everyone has the chance to succeed. Confronting poverty is a collectively responsibility that benefits not just the poor, but society as a whole. So, bridging the gap starts with all of us. Let's confront poverty head on with compassion and action. Thank you for listening.